Hey guys, thanks for coming back. I am Anushka Fatma Momin and today you are watching an interesting challenge video. So let's get started. Before we start, if you are new at my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon for more interesting videos. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share this video with your friends, relatives, etc. There will be 10 seconds given for each question. You have to think and then answer. Every question contains 10 points. You have to add the points of questions which you have guessed. You can pause the video. In last, you can check your remarks with points. The vegetable. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. It's pumpkin. It's pump and plus this is a movie which name is kin. So pump plus kin is equals to pumpkin. Number 2. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. This guy name is Bryn plus gel is equals to brinjal. Number 2. Guess the vegetable. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. It's bitter gourd. She has tasted lemons, so it's bitter. Plus gourd, it means bitter gourd. Guess the vegetable. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. Sweet potato. These all are sweets plus potato is equals to sweet potato. Time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is over. It's cabbage. Here on the screen it's written taxi, which is also called cab. So cab plus these all are ages. So cab plus ages are called cabbage. Guess the vegetable. Your time starts now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your time is. Guess the vegetable. So its answer is red plus this is a dish. So red plus dish is equals to radish. You got 10 points nice, 20 points great, 30 points good, 40 points excellent, 50 points bravo. We'll meet in my next video. Till that keep calm and stay tuned. Bye.